What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how you can have Lightroom presets. So there's actually built-in Lightroom presets already. You don't have to buy any. These are just all inbuilt Adobe Lightroom presets that I'm going to be using and seeing if it will be better than my editing, and seeing how Lightroom and AI wise analyzes my photo and somewhat recommends the editing style of what the photo should be looking like. So let's get straight into the. So I've chosen a bunch of photos from Bondi Junction the other day, and so far they've been pretty decent. I've only edited about 4 of them, 4 or 5, and so I'll be posting those on my Instagram probably later on. And so this one, alright. So you just go up here. I'm actually showing you somewhat of how to do it if you don't know how to use Lightroom. So like if you're beginner wise, presets are pretty good. There you go. You can actually make your own if you want to, which I've tried, but they've been not really that good wise to use. I only have to use them like once. So at the moment it's just analyzing my photo here, and then it'll have like a bunch of things. So the first thing I'll recommend black and white. For some reason you can actually do all stubble, strong, black and white, or cool, which is what it says on the screen. So you just scroll through. That actually looks pretty nice in black and white, I will say that. Just the only problem is that it's actually not straight, the horizontal line. This, however, looks pretty decent, and sometimes they'll make them a little bit fake or something like that. That's not. And I'm actually seeing if it's actually post production wise, like see if it's actually like post worthy on Instagram. And so we will have a look and see if which one I actually like, and then see if I can actually fix it. Ooh, I actually like that one. That one doesn't look too bad actually. And you can actually if you just scroll down the bottom, there's like the amount as well. You can actually just decrease the amount, or you can add it, which I wouldn't recommend adding because it can be a bit fake. So I usually put it down to 50% and stuff like that. I just put it down to 50, and then over here you can actually, if we just get rid of the tab there, once that's added, you can actually just do your own thing here. It's just presets are just usually just things to help you out, just for time wise. But I usually just do this. I usually just play around with whatever, and I usually just do that. It's probably a little bit of brightness actually, because I want the whites and stuff look pretty cool. I'm just gonna crop this for a second. Hold on, seeing if it's lined up. Which it doesn't look like doesn't really look lined up to me. There we go. That's perfect wise. You can actually add these in, and it'll actually tell you what it's done, somewhat, and then you can just play around with it and see if that suits your style. So I'm just gonna see if it actually suits my style and somewhat. So I'll see you in the next photo. Actually, alright, so this is the end result. So I'm going to show you the before and after. So that's the before, and that's after. So I reckon it's quite decent wise. I probably wouldn't post this. If it's up to me, I'll probably just turn down the blues a little bit, as I did just then actually. So I might not post this. I'll probably will post it. I'll give it like a 5 out of 10 for that. Alright, next one. So we have a bunch of people. So this is all the way in Bondi, as you can see from all the surroundings. If you don't know what Bondi looks like, it's actually quite a nice popular beach. It's in Sydney. It's in Sydney. It's probably one of the most popular beaches in Australia. Let's go with that one. I'm not gonna say the world because I don't know if the world actually knows about Bondi Beach. So presets. Let's see what it says. So I'm just gonna be doing about 3 photos. So and see what Lightroom says. Oh my god. Okay, no. Okay, Lightroom does some wacky edits. Like this. Like what? Like why? Hey bro. Can't do like no. Can't do like the black and white. Is that? No, that's not good. It's just just. No, I like that black and white actually. Actually, I don't mind that. The phone. Yeah, I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. Probably will straighten up a little bit actually. You know, I did, but should be straight. Okay. Just give it the darkness a little bit. Just give the highlights. Just trying to get more light into this photo now. It's a bit dark in terms of the areas and especially the water wise. So I'm just going to try and just get rid of the blacks a little bit. And then we'll just down the highlights like that. It's not like too bad at black and white. I thought it would be horrible with black and white, but yeah, no. Okay. Alrighty. And as you can see, there's got a black and white mixer, which you can do. I don't usually use it that often. Because I usually just play around with this part, which is the color grading. I usually only play with that. In terms of that, I can go like that. Sorry if you can hear the rain. It's pouring outside, so yeah, no. Alrighty. That's just a very quick one. I don't mind zero sharpen, but that's okay. Alright, let's just vintage this a little bit. So the presets do actually help, so that's a good thing. So the presets do actually help somewhat. In terms of this photo, it looks pretty good. So I reckon that's like a 6.5. Let's go 6.5. This photo, as you can see, Hotel Bondi. Is there any other interesting ones? If there's not, then I'll do that one. Ooh. Actually, I might do that one because why not? Alright, let's see what Lightroom says about this final one. So this is just so let's just do this final one real quick and just see what Lightroom does. I know there's other photos there, but I know there's other photos there. I'll probably will edit that off camera, and then I'll show you guys the results at the end of the video, somewhat. So yeah. All right, that is me back in 2019, or no, not 2018, or whenever I started. That'll be me right there, like that. Alrighty. Okay. That's a bit too dramatic. I don't know why it does that. I don't know why it gives you like a really dramatic tone wise. Probably not that one. That one looks nice, but not my type of editing. Probably have to go with this one, to be honest. This one looks alright. Just decrease the amount. Always decrease the amount in case you want to change. That's what I would say. But if you really want to just add a little bit of amount, then that's fine. But just do your own editing wise, because you don't really want to depend on the presets all the time. So let's do that. A bit of contrast. Probably highlights it a little bit. the whites. I will crop this probably. It's actually it's not needed to be cropped actually. No, I always like the crop. I don't know why. I seem to like cropping. So there is a video about cropping if you want to check that out as well. It's my last video, or not my last video, my other video was about printing, which you can check that out as well. Alright, we'll get that on. Okay. That's not too bad. No, probably like that. I don't know. Give it a bit of warmth. Warm. There we go. Warm. Jesus Christ. I can't speak today. I cannot speak today. Okay, let's play the midtones. Give it like that. Let's get a bit more light because it's just. Sorry if that cut out there a bit. So at the moment I just finished editing this part here, and yeah, I'll be showing also the other 4 photos here, just around the screen or so. Yeah, I hope you do enjoy this video. If this did help you, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.